Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Chemistry World. And I'm your instructor WAHAJ Khalil. Today's the topic of our lecture is Introduction to Research and Explanation of Research. So what is research? Research, the systematic investigation into and study of materials and sources in order to establish facts and research new conclusions. Research is defined as a careful consideration of study regarding a particular concern or a problem using a scientific method or methods. So according to American sociologist Earl Robert Beebe, research is a systematic inquiry to describe, explain, predict, and control the observed phenomena. Research is creative and systematic work undertaken to increase the stock of knowledge, including knowledge of humans, culture, and society. Research is a logical, systematic search for new and useful information on a particular topic. In the well known nursery rhyme, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, How I Wonder What You Are, the use of the words how and what essentially summarizes what research is. It is an investigation of finding solutions to scientific and social problems through objective and systematic analysis. It is a research for knowledge that is a discovery of hidden truths. Here, knowledge means information about matters. What is research? The systematic investigation of a particular topic or a problem in order to find more information, increase the existing knowledge, reach new conclusion, and devise application using the stock of knowledge. The word systematic implies that the process involves an organized set of steps. For example, defining a problem, formulating hypotheses, collecting, organizing, and evaluating data, and reaching conclusions. There should be some new aspect of the study that has never been examined before. While replicating a previous study, it is the best to add or change something to increase the novelty of the research. Sometimes the scientific research may lead to an innovation that raises our interest in that topic. There was an immense excitement in the scientists of the last century because of the discoveries that were unfolding. Different sources of knowledge. The information might be collected from different sources like experience, human beings, books, journals, nature, etc. New contributions to existing knowledge or research can lead to new contributions to the existing knowledge. Progress in the field only through research is it possible to make progress in a field. Research is indeed civilization and determines the economic, social, and political development of a nature. A change in the philosophical view of problems, the results of scientific research very often force a change in the philosophical view of problems which extend far beyond the restrictive domain of science itself. Essential for research. Setting a goal. Research in all disciplines and subject, not just science, must begin with a clear, defined goal. This usually, but not always, takes the form of a hypothesis. For example, an anthropologist study may not have a specific hypothesis or principle, but does have a specific goal. In studying the culture of a certain people and trying to understand and interpret their behavior. The whole study is defined around the clearly defined goal, and it should address a unique issue building upon previous research and scientifically acceptable fundamentals. Nothing in science can be regarded as truth. Basic assumptions are made at all stages of the research building upon widely accepted knowledge. And then interpretation of result. Research does require some interpretation and extrapolation of results. In scientific research, there is always some kind of connection between data information gathered and why the scientists think that the data looks as it does. Often the researcher looks at the data gathered and then comes to a conclusion of why the data looks like it does. A history paper, for example, which just recognizes facts and made no commentary on the results, it is not research but a review. So in our today's lecture, we had discussed the introduction and explanation of research. So if you like that lecture, please share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks.